Okay, we are going to download our script and create a new database. So right here I've got my SQL Server 2014 and I'm going to open that up. And when it opens up, we will get an automated login or authentication box right here. I have not set a password to this, so that is why it's grayed out. And if you go into your Configuration Management Studio and double click on this, you'll see in Service where it says Automatic. As long as it's starting up in the automatic mode and you haven't set a password, you should be okay. Also, when you first download this one right here will be stopped. See the little red square, and this has a green triangle. So you'll need to go in and you'll actually need to double click them, and you'll need to click Start and get those processes started. Going back in here, we'll just click Connect, and that'll bring us up into our database. And we want to open the file. You have an inventory database SQL file that I have put in Canvas for you. So we want to open that file. We have it down here. We'll double click on it, and then it will pull up for us, and it will ask us to create a database. Initial size of 4 megabytes. Now if you're trying to create a file and it's giving you an error that says the initial file must be at least 4 megabytes, that's because you have your size set, your model size or your master size that we're using here, set to 4 megabytes for the initial size of the file, and you can adjust that, but we will leave it. Okay, so we can go ahead and execute, and it should tell us that we are successful. Yep, it shows successful execution here, and then I bring in my temp file. See, I have local disk C drive temp file. It created the MDF files for us and the LDF file for the log right here. And that is how we get started with that. You guys are now ready to get working with your data.